Hello. This short presentation is an introduction to the policy and inspection background in Wales in respect to e-safety aspects of safeguarding. Estyn, the Office of Her Majesty's Inspectorate for Education and Training in Wales, is completing its 2004 to 2010 inspection cycle. Now, Estyn carries out inspections of further education institutions funded by the Department for Children, Education, Lifelong Learning and Skills under the terms of the Learning and Skills Act 2000. Now, Estyn's current Common Inspection Framework for Education and Training in Wales has no explicit mention of safeguarding or e-safety. However, under the heading of the quality of education and training, inspectors have been evaluating key question 4, which is how well are learners cared for, guided and supported, which was graded from 1, good with outstanding features, to 5, many important shortcomings. Now, as part of the evaluation under this key question, the Common Framework states, inspectors should consider, where applicable, the extent to which providers assure the healthy development, safety and well-being of all learners, and have effective procedures for the protection of children and young people, and for dealing with appeals and complaints. In addition, under an Equal Opportunities heading, it have effective measures to eliminate oppressive behaviour, including racial discrimination, bullying, and all forms of harassment. Although, in very general terms, this has been the inspection driver in relation to safeguarding and e-safety in further education in Wales during this 6-year cycle, some key principles perhaps to be kept in mind are providing a safe environment and protection from harm, that staff should be alert to risks to children and vulnerable adults, and that staff of colleges should contribute to safeguarding. However, and notwithstanding all that I've said, the inspection process has been recently reviewed, and we believe changes will be made from September 2010. A new Common Inspection Framework, a CIF, and Quality and Effectiveness Framework, QEF, are due for publication around Easter 2010, and associated self-evaluation toolkits are expected during the summer of 2010. There will be some changes to procedure, including the adoption of a 4-point word-based grading scale from excellent to unsatisfactory. From the current information we have, care, support and guidance will be included as an area for consideration under self-evaluation and inspection. Now, with regards to the legislative landscape, the Welsh Assembly has been responsible for making laws, in the form of assembly measures, for matters relating to child protection and safeguarding since 2008. However, the current legislative framework and principles remain in common with England for the moment, relying on the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, the Human Rights Act of 1998 and the Children Act of 2004. And there is obviously earlier legislation in this area. And of course there is more specific legislation such as the various education acts, for example that of 2002. Now, an important guidance document is called Safeguarding Children, Working Together under the Children Act 2004, which was produced by the Welsh Assembly Government in 2006. There is also the document In Safe Hands, Implementing Adult Protection Procedures in Wales, and this may also be relevant in a further education setting and in the context of the Safeguarding Vulnerable Groups Act of 2006.